gosh! I thought you guys said you were musicians.
Ash, babe, I'm the lead singer, okay? Just stick to the backing vocals.
Sorry, I get carried away.
Yeah, I know, right. It just kind of ruins my song, you know?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. Aww. What? Come on, make your wish.
I wish you join a choir, a local band or something.
I tried.
Hey, Dad, we've been over this.
So she's a little shy. So what? If I had a voice like Mina's, I'd be a superstar by now. Just singing, ooh, yeah. I
Sure you would,
ooh,
Grandpa.
Yeah.
Now blow out your candles.
Penny, how dare you? I happen to have studied at the Lincoln School of Music.
Sorry, it's all I got right now.
Oh, is that so? All right, prove it, pal.
What?
Empty your pockets right now. Well, what is this you got here? What do you smoke out of this?
That's my inhaler.
Aha! I knew it! You all saw it? You all saw it right here, the monkey lied?
I forgot I had that.
And next time, pick on someone your own size. Bully.
Take care of her, will you? She may look old and rusty, but she is a classic. Okay, listen, we both know that my theater's been going through some pretty rough times lately, but as the saying goes, for every cloud, a silver lining. We've got...
Hold on right there, Buster. My dad, he heard I was going to see you today, and he was all like, Eddie, you tell that koala I'm not funding any more of those shows, and that's final. Those were his words.
Well, your dad's right. Those shows were the problem. War of attrition. Rosie takes about... I mean, nobody wants to see that stuff anymore. So, what do?
Quit?
No. I give them a show they cannot resist, which is gonna be... just one more minute, s'il vous plaît. Merci.
Don't speak French. They speak English here.
Now, my next show is gonna be, drum roll please, a singing competition.
A singing competition? Who wants to see another one of those?
Everyone. Or just think, your neighbor, the grocery store manager, that chicken, right there. Everyone in the city gets a shot at being a star live on my stage.
Buster, this is a terrible idea.
Oh, no, it's not. Real talent from real life. That's what audiences want, and I'm gonna give it to them.
All right, look. Can we please just get out of here?
Don't you want to eat?
Yeah, but we can't afford any of this.
Yes, I know, and that's why I brought sandwiches.
That's not allowed. Ugh.
What, you don't like peanut butter and jelly?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Look, I got cream cheese. I got banana...
You okay?
Yep, never better. Miss Crowley.
Hello? Who is it?
It's me, your boss, Mr. Moon.
Oh, hello, Mr. Moon.
There we go. Now, I need you to add the following information to our publicity flyers.
Yes, sir.
The winner of the singing contest will receive a grand prize of $935. Gonna need more than that. Just a second. There. $1,000. You got that?
$1,000.
Print them up on every single sheet of paper we have left, and let's spread the word right away, okay?
Yes, oh, yes, sir. Okay, come on out.
the winds of change. Yep, when this show's